Discover the secret to soy sauce marinated eggs. Get the perfect soft-boiled egg texture. Easily peel them and marinate them to perfection. You will only need a few simple ingredients and less than 30 minutes to prepare. I just took out these large eggs from the fridge. Use the turkey laser or a pin to poke a tiny hole at the larger end of the eggs. It helps to release the air pockets so the membrane separates more easily and the soft-boiled eggs will be very easy to peel. In a pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil. Carefully lower the eggs in the water. For soft-boiled eggs, cook for 6 minutes and 30 seconds. If you prefer medium-boiled eggs, cook for 8 minutes. Or hard-boiled eggs, cook for 11 minutes. For the first minute, constantly stir so the egg yolks will be in the center. Place the eggs in ice water and let them cool completely for about 10 minutes. Gently tap each egg with a teaspoon everywhere. Then submerge the egg back in the ice water and peel it inside the water. Repeat with the rest. We're gonna dice half of an onion. Chop 2 stalks of scallions. Slice a red chili pepper. If you don't like spicy food, replace it with a mini sweet pepper. And mince 3 cloves of garlic. In a container, mix together chicken stock. You could also replace it with water, soy sauce, sugar, onion, scallions, red chili pepper, garlic, and toasted sesame seeds. Place the eggs in the marinating liquid. Marinate overnight in the fridge. It can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. Now, let's see what it looks like after overnight. If you also like to make the perfect ramen eggs, check out the video right here. Please comment below and share with me what are your favorite ways to cook eggs. This is easy and it's tasty. I just love it. If you also enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, follow, and like for more step-by-step, easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!